The attorney for Adnan Syed plans to take his appeal to the U.S. Supreme Court today. That popular podcast, Serial, and a documentary earlier this year on HBO put Adnan Syed's case in the national spotlight. WMAR 2 News' Mark Roper is live at Courthouse East in downtown Baltimore. So, Mark, what do Adnan Syed's attorneys want the Supreme Court justices to consider?
Well, they want the U.S. Supreme Court to take a look at how the Maryland Court of Appeals made its decision to not allow Syed to have another trial. His attorney, Justin Brown, originally filed a motion questioning whether Syed had sufficient defense at his trial in Baltimore nearly 2 decades ago. Adnan Syed currently is serving life in prison in Western Maryland. He was convicted of killing his ex-girlfriend, Hae Min Lee, back in 1999. Syed has raised 2 issues with his original defense team. 1, for their failure to contact a witness at the time of his original trial, and 2, for their failure to cross-examine a witness about the reliability of cell phone tower location evidence prosecutors used to place Syed at the scene of the crime. And now Syed's attorneys hope the Supreme Court will overturn that ruling based on 2 arguments: that the murder could have happened at a different time than when the witness had spotted him, and that the witness wouldn't have been credible. Those are 2 things which Syed's attorneys say are not only not true, but not for the appeals court to decide. Now, the Maryland Court of Special Appeals had granted Syed a new trial back in 2016, but the State Court of Appeals later reversed that decision, with judges voting 4-3. It was a very close decision in that case. We're live in downtown Baltimore. Mark Roper, WMAR 2 News.
Yeah, and that decision came right as it was determined on that HBO documentary that he rejected a deal that might have gotten him out of prison earlier.